Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by turning on Backup and Sync so your photos actually reach Google's cloud. Sign into your Google account, open Photos, and enable Backup and Sync. Choose High Quality Storage Saver if you want reduced file sizes that save quota. Once done, make sure uploads happen only on Wi-Fi or while charging if you prefer. Quick tip: pick folders to back up now so you don't upload unwanted screenshots or downloads. Next, organize and reduce what gets uploaded so you maximize any available free storage. Turn on folder backups for only the folders you want: camera, WhatsApp, etc. Then enable Storage Saver to compress new uploads automatically. Once done, run a quick scan to delete duplicates and compress oversized videos in batches. Make sure face grouping and location are set if you want smarter albums. These features keep your library tidy and cut down on redundant shots that waste space. Finish by actively maintaining your quota so backup stays uninterrupted. Open Google One or Photos Storage Manager to remove large videos, blurry photos, or items from trash to free space. If uploads stop, check sync status and app permissions, sometimes toggling backup and sync off and on fixes stuck items. If problems persist, clear the app cache or remove and re-add your Google account. This often resets stalled uploads. One key troubleshooting tip: confirm the account you're signed into is the one you expect.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.